Okay, so now let us solve word problems involving combinations. So, na-discuss ko naman na tong combinations, kaya lang hindi siya totally discuss kasi text lang yon, hindi ako nagsasalita. Pero ngayon, i-discuss ko na ng mas maayos sa inyo kung ano ba tong combinations. So, ito pong combinations, it is the arrangement of n objects with no repetition and order is not important. Okay po? So, kapag sinabi po natin combination, order is not important. Unlike sa permutation, order is important. So, mas marami po kasi itong arrangement sa permutation. Dito po konti lang. Mas madali po itong combination unlike sa permutation. Okay po. So, sa combination po, meron po tayong dalawang value ng R. And yung value ng R na yon dapat nagsasum dun sa value ng N. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, let us have an example. Okay? So, number 1, you have 5 different toppings to choose from and you want to pick 3 for your pizza. How many different pizza combinations are possible? Again, you have 5 different toppings to choose from and you want to pick 3 for your pizza. How many different pizza combinations are possible? Okay? Okay. So, lagi niyo pong tatandaan na n is always greater than or equal to r. So, get the value of n. Po. So, meron daw tayo 5 different toppings. So, meaning, and dun tayo pipili 5 different toppings. So, our value of n is 5. And then, ano naman yung value ng r? So, syempre, pick 3 daw. Pick 3. So, tatlo. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan na kapag combination, wala po siyang arrangement. Ano lang, pipili ka lang or choose. Kaya nga dito may pick or sabi choose. Ito, choose. Diba? Unlike sa permutation, sabi, in how many ways can we arrange? Ganto, ganto, ganto. Pero sa combination, pipili ka lang or choose. Okay? So, ano ba yung sinasabi kong dalawang value ng R? Ito na po yun. Kung ang value ng R natin is 3, ilan na lang ba kulang nito para mag 5? So, that is 2. Okay po. So, kapag pinag-an mo yan, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So, the two values of R is the sum of the value of N. Okay po. So, now, let us solve. Formula. The NCR, the combination of N objects taken R at a time is equals to N factorial all over N minus R factorial, R factorial. So, unahin muna natin tong 3. Tatry din natin tong 2. So, 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Sorry, I forgot to write factorial. So, alam nyo naman na mag-simplify ng ganito, no? So, 5 factorial is equals to 5 minus 3, that is 2 factorial, 3 factorial. And then, 5 factorial is 120 all over 2 factorial times 3 factorial, that is pag ang 2 factorial kasi is 2 and 3 factorial is 6. So 2 times 6 is 12 and then divide. So the combination of 5 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to 10. Okay? So our value of combination of 5 objects taken 3 at a time is 10. Okay po. So let us try if R is equals to 2. Okay, let us try kung tama. Okay, so formula natin, NCR is equals to N factorial all over N minus R factorial, R factorial. So 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So 5 factorial is equals to 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial, 2 factorial. And 5 factorial is 120 all over 3 factorial is 6 and 2 factorial is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then divide 5C2 is equals to 120 divides 12. Same lang yan dito. That is 10. Diba? Sabi sa inyo, pwede maging dalawa yung value ng R. Okay po. Next example. Okay, next example, if we have 5 players in a basketball team, How many ways? Ways yan na, nagkamali lang. How many ways can the coach choose to? Okay? So, if we have 5 players in a basketball team, how many ways can the coach choose to? So, value ng N natin dito is 5 since we have 5 players and pipili daw ng dalawa. So, meaning R is 2. Okay? So, now let us solve. N comma R is equals to N factorial and N minus R factorial, So, yan pa yung formula ng combination ha. So, N natin dito is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 5 factorial, copy muna natin, and then subtract the denominator. So, 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial, 2 factorial, and 5 factorial is equals to 120 all over. 3 factorial is 6, 2 factorial is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. So, simplify. We have 10 ways. So, parehas lang pala ito sa parehas ng value dun sa unang problem. So, dito, kung ang value ng R is 2, ano yung isang value ng R? So, that is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? So, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.